Hey everyone, this is Pankaj from CGFamily and welcome to this video. In this video, we are gonna create technical animation, or you can say mechanical animation, or any specific animation that's industry specific, because many times in production line they always work in a specific loop. Everything happens the same way. As you can see, what I've created here is there's a box that's going from here, being picked up and then up there and then goes right there. So this is the model that I quickly placed, and I'm gonna also upload the model for you guys to use, and the link will be in the description. Alright, let's start. So before starting, let's try to guess how long this animation is. For example, if I play it, there's a box that's being picked up now. Now it's here, and then so you understand what I mean. So this animation looks really long, but in reality the loop animation works on really short time frame. So for example, as you can see, this animation is only 1 second long, and the box that you see right here is only moving from one place to the next. We'll take a fresh scene and then we'll start working from there. So this is our setup, and now we are going to start with the animation from here. So as you can see, on first frame, let's first set our time range, and let's do 1 second, 24 frames. Alright, so what we are going to do is, if you press 4, you can see there's a box inside here, and all you need to do to create a loop is we're gonna set a keyframe on the first pose, and we are gonna take this information and paste at the last frame here. So now what we have is, at the first frame, the translation, rotation and scaling value will match with the first frame of this box on the 24th frame. So we have the exact same position and rotation of the next object. Now let's press 6, and again the same with this one. So let's first go right here and select all our boxes. Let's see, it's all selected. Let's first set a keyframe on the frame 0. Now all we need to do is select this one, copy, select the previous one and paste. Now again select this one, copy, select this one, last frame, paste. I'm gonna quickly do the rest. Alright, now the first part of our animation is ready. We have the boxes moving in a loop. For the next part, we're going to focus on this thing here. So let's rotate this the exact 90 degrees. Well, now let's fix this a bit. Let's go to frame 12 and adjust this from the top view and press 4, and let's match this on that origin. Alright, now let's do the same here and match. Okay. Well, let's leave it at that and we'll refine it later on. So moving on to the next part. Let's do this now. So on the first frame, we have one right here. We're gonna follow the same principle and just 2, 3, 4. All the 4 are selected. We're gonna set a keyframe and then we're gonna select this. Select this one. Copy the first frame to the last of this one. Then the same. And this one we can just move upwards. Alright, so our loop is pretty much ready. So there are 2 things remaining. Well, first, if there's a specific need that you want the animations to hold for a bit and then continue moving forward, then this will suit your taste. But in many cases you will want a continuous motion. So to do that, we're gonna select everything, including this rotator group, and in our graph we're gonna set everything to linear. Alright, now if you play it, now the motion is continuous and everything is seamless. Now the only thing remaining is this part. So to make the circular motion, we just need to add 2 more keyframes. Let's go to the top view and match. Then again match. Same with the next one. Alright, now this looks pretty seamless to me. And we are almost done with the animation. Now if you want to add the rotator movement right here in the first one, all you need to do is, you have already set the keyframe on the first. Let's just rotate this 360 degrees. So it's back on the initial frame. And now when we play it, or we can further refine the graph if you want. So it slowly stops. And with this, our mechanical animation loop is completed. So if you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more 3D content, and I'll see you in the next one.